Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your downloads folder is missing in your Windows machine. Now, the first step is to open File Explorer. So in the search box, you may go ahead and type File Explorer, open File Explorer. Once you have File Explorer open on your computer, you will have to click on the three dotted lines or folder options and then click on options. Under this, under privacy, make sure you go ahead and click on clear and then click on apply and see if your download folder has been restored on your computer. In case if your download folder is restored, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now the next method is to do a right click on this folder section or the folder pane and then click on show all folders, and that should show the downloads folder on the left hand side. Now in case if you don't like this view, what you could do is once you have the download folder available, you can do a right click on the downloads folder and choose the option which says pin to quick access, and then you may go ahead and disable the option to show all folders so that the entire sections of download folder doesn't show up on your computer screen. So you can go ahead and do a right click on the empty space on the folder pane and then uncheck the box which says show all folders. With this, all the folders would not show up in the navigation pane or the folder navigation pane, but you would also see the downloads folder. From here, you can go to the downloads folder and that should show the downloads folder on your computer. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and use a Windows registry edit to fix this issue. To do this, you will have to open the registry editor. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type reg edit, click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the registry editor open, all you have to do is you will have to copy the path from the video description for the registry and paste it in the address bar or the address bar of the registry editor. So copy it and paste it here and hit enter. It will directly take you to the user shell folders. So the path is computer, current user, software, Microsoft Windows, CurrentVersion, Explorer, user shell folder. I will mention this registry key in the video description. So once you go to this location, make sure the user shell folder has been selected, and on the right hand side you will have to go ahead and identify through registry keys. I will mention those registry in the video description and I will also make that appear on the screen. So one of the registry key is starting with 374. Now you will have to do a right click and then click on modify and make sure the value data for this registry entry is being set to user profile download. Click on OK. Another registry key is starting with 7D83. In case if you find that registry entry, you will have to do a right click, modify, and make sure value data for these two registry entries is being set to percentage user profile, percentage download. You may go ahead and close the registry editor, restart your computer, and that should bring back your download folder in your Windows. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.